guys, happy Friday. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. Hope y'all are doing well. This is Paula, DFW's favorite realtor, guys. It is Friday night, and this family, they are approved and ready to go. We have went through selecting and finding communities that may meet their needs. We got approved, and so now they're just about picking the right floor plan that's going to meet their needs. So join us for their journey. So this one is a 3-2. Right, you got 2 bedrooms at the front. Right, this builder is offering some awesome incentives. Love this walk-in closet. They're offering some crazy, insane incentives, and so they've decided that they're gonna probably go ahead and take them up on the offer. That was pretty much. That's why we got approved before we got out, and we so this would be the living area. Y'all still in here? They must have went outside and I lost them. Here's the washroom. This is the owner's retreat. Here's the bath. Right, this is the smallest one. This one is in the 1,300 square feet, about 1,300. So they're exploring the floor plans until they find the one they want, right? But they love the price point, right? It's close to their works. They love the incentives. Where are y'all at? Let's see. Maybe they're here. Yeah, they're at this one. This one is bigger. Love the spacing in this community. They give you really great backyard sizes. All right, everybody has a covered patio. There y'all go. I got lost.
I was gonna say, I know. I was trying to find you out front. I figured you were that one next door.
Okay, this one is a little bigger, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
This one is what, 1,500?
1,532 square feet. Yes, ma'am.
And that last one was 13?
Last one was 1,450.
1,450. This one bigger, huh, y'all?
Yeah.
You like this one bigger? Okay, keep going, Jeffrey. So they like this one, it's bigger. Oh, this one you get 2 closets too. Oh, y'all like the 2 closets on here. One for him and one for you. She say, no, he the one. What, he got shoes? Okay, he tried to blame it on you.
Yeah, I'm trying to blame it on me.
Oh, this is one for $48,000 off. Yeah, $48,000 off on this one.
Okay, 48,000. What was it before?
Before I think last week you would have saw me, it's probably only $20,000 discount.
Okay.
The beginning like 321.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the full retail we're at 329 on this. Oh, 329.
Okay, 329. And you're selling for how much today?
Yeah, 284.90.
284. Okay. Camden. Okay.
All right, we'll take a look at the completed one now.
Okay. She said she got her mindset with them 2 closets. Yeah, a coat closet here. The back porch. Mm-hmm. Right, so this one is winning, and they got a really great special on this one. We got to get in the car? Okay. Has anybody moved into this community yet? Yes. Okay, they have? Your first people have moved in. Okay. The spacing in between is pretty good in this community, isn't it, too?
They're not close together at all.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's go see what we got next. All right, so that's the one that they really like. Yeah. That they wanted to see. They're liking that one, so we're going to go see what a completed model looks like. Let me clean it. Y'all know I'm kind of obsessed with this. I like to make sure y'all can see really well. Right, our appointment was supposed to be at 5 today. Traffic was crazy. I'm extra late. They had already started the appointment. So y'all, we're just catching up. Right, but homes in this community are starting in like the 280s, about the 280s. It's a brand new community over in, don't do this. Okay, there y'all are. Y'all are back. Okay. Yeah, the first people have moved in. Right, I showed y'all this community right when they kicked off. I hadn't gotten anybody in this phase. But this is like the second phase of an existing community. Oh, I love the spacing they do out here, Jeffrey.
Yes, ma'am. We're on
62 foot wide. The cheapest right now, you're starting in the 680s, right? No, I'm sorry, 680s. 280s.
Just got, yes, ma'am.
Okay. 2 trees in the front.
1 tree in the back.
And 1 tree in the back.
I'll double check. I'll double check the exterior color. The brick may be a little bit different, but the stone looks pretty accurate.
Got the coat closet here. You like the openness?
This bathroom's big.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah, I'm looking at the master bedroom. This is the same. Oh, I gotta look at that.
He like the barbecue. He like to sit out.
Yeah. He has a trailer, so he barbecues a lot.
Okay. He eat it good? She gonna say no.
Yeah. He does the turkeys also.
Okay.
Yeah, he deep fries the turkeys.
So he getting ready to get busy next month.
Yeah.
He get a lot of
Everybody
orders.
comes over there and eats.
Okay.
And this bathroom is real big.
Mm-hmm. That'd be for y'all kids or guests when they come.
And I noticed on some of the floor plans, they didn't have the thing for the towels and stuff. It's just empty.
Yeah, and that's that's your area for that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You like those 2 closets? He trying to see about is it a gas outlet out there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what they doing.
And even the pantry is real big.
The pantry.
Yeah. I love the grill.
So this backyard is a good size?
I got a couple of grills.
You can see yourself?
And this is where's not I've done a turkey.
Right, but they're great backyards. Here y'all go.